Okay, let's play.
Oh, I'm
Let's
left.
let's do Rivendell.
Okay, you need to invite me again.
I don't wanna.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine
it's
then.
really
Alright, have
loading.
fun on your own.
Yes, loading. I can't. Badly. Add friends. I is bored.
Wow! I actually got
wow,
invited to play.
10,200
That's so crazy.
objects.
Oh my fucking lord.
There was a lot of loading to do.
Well, I guess I'll grab a cup of tea. Never mind, I guess we're good. I guess I'm in.
Oh, and there's the music as well. I assume you have music turned off though.
Oh my god, yeah, there's a lot of stuff loading in the background right now.
Yeah. I'm gonna go wait until it's done for you.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, it's bowling.
Right, I'm ready, let's go.
Okay, start.
Oh, what in the
raise
shitting hell?
Oh, I did not. Why did I?
Oh,
Okay. Oh.
interesting.
Restart. Hey, buddy.
How'd you get in?
There's the second hole.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It's one of the sky holes.
What do
Oh
you
my
mean,
god,
Scott?
this is where they took the ring to Mordor.
Really? Oh, that's so
No.
crazy.
Oh. Ah! Oh my god! I'm in a bird! I'm in a bird!
You fucking what? You're in a bird?
I was in a bird, it just took me there. I went in a portal.
What the fuck are you on about?
All these cool
What drugs have you consumed today? Jesus.
I'm
I'm in a bird! I'm in a bird! I'm in a bird!
So did you? I think there's a secret hole in the map.
Okay, man.
I found both of them so far.
Yeah, I guess you have. Jeez. Let me
Oh,
find.
I'm in Mordor! I see the ring! I see the one ring!
Fucking hell.
Okay.
Stop resetting my hit game! I just want to fucking see the. Jesus. I've just lost so many strokes on that
I was
shit.
in Mordor for a second.
Shut up, man. Shut up, man.
Genuinely.
No, you fucking weren't. Shut
I
up.
was! I told them what. No, seriously, if you get in the
Morgan.
portal, you're gonna see.
I don't fucking believe you.
No, you need to get in the portal, you're gonna see. I'm not fucking with you. See?
What?
The
Oh
ring.
shit, I guess I am. Oh fuck. Alright. I'm in Mordor, I'm in a bird!
I really wasn't a bird though. You gotta believe me.
Trust me, bro. I wasn't a bird. They're checking the hobbits to Isengard.
I'm now under the map. Oh, I went under the bridge.
Bro, shut up.
I keep finding all the secret ones.
Fucking shut up, man. I hate that you're finding all this stuff and you're winning while you're doing it as well.
Oh. That's how I did it normally.
I'm in a bird!
I wasn't in a bird that time or on the bridge or in Mordor.
Okay. If you say so. Oh shit. I'm falling.
Hello.
Hi. Go. No!
Wait, oh.
Hello. We're both in the
Hello.
corner.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is a fucking tiny hole.
Yep.
Tiny weeny hole.
Tiny weeny hole.
There's no secret in that one.
Wait, what the
It's
fuck?
sad.
Okay, right. You wanted a secret? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm in the river. I'm in the river. Okay, never mind. God forbid I find a secret.
Oh, I'm in a boat. I'm in a boat.
I'm in a bird. I'm in a bird.
I'm right now. I got a hole in one.
Good for you, man.
Oh my god, Pirates of the Caribbean. Sit tight.
Brother, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh my god.
I honestly don't know what the fuck you're smoking right now. It's actually a bit concerning.
It's something kind of crazy.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I'm hearing Gollum shouting at me.
Oh my god! You found the secret.
Oh, I did find
You
the
found the secret one.
I
For
did.
once.
Makes a fucking change. Oh no.
Oh, I'm in a box. I'm flying away.
I'm in a bird. I'm in the sky. I'm in
No,
Gollum.
I'm in a balloon now in a box.
You're just making this shit up as you go along at this point.
I'm not.
Oh, I'm in a box
I
too.
got-
No, I've
Yeah,
been taken
see,
away.
See, I'm not crazy. I'm not making this shit up.
I'm not crazy. I'm in a bird. I still can't get over that one. I'm in a bird. Oh no! I still can't get over that one. You said
I
that.
was literally in a bag.
I'm in a bird. I might just make this video title that. I'll be honest. It's that funny to me.
I can't believe you didn't see me. I was flying above you in a bird.
I've genuinely got tears in my eyes over that shit. Oh
You need
god.
to get in the bird too.
Oh fucking hell. That one really got me. I'm still chuckling over that one, I won't lie. Oh fucking hell. I'm not crazy. I'm in a bird.
I'm blocked up.
Fucking hell.
I was in a bird.
Oh fucking hell.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, how am I supposed
Oh
to?
bollocks. Oh, I'm in the river. I'm in the river, I'm being sent away.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. I think I just slam it. Yeah, there we go, bogey.
Have I found a secret, or am
Found it.
I just being taken away down the street
No,
for no reason?
I
Okay.
found the secret. Yeah, it's that one.
Oh, cool.
It's not really a secret. It's not. It's not like you find a ring, or you find Gollum, or you're on a bird, or you try the Karen B and starts playing. You don't slam. You don't slam it. Absolutely slam it if you do the Kelly one.
Yeah, I wasn't able to really.
Okay.
Oh god, I've got tears in my eyes. I'm sweating.
You got sweaty eyeballs.
I do.
Oh.
Oh shit. Nice. I did it.
Oh,
I did the secret before you.
but it wasn't a secret like with Gollum or.
Yeah, it was.
bird.
Don't take this away from me.
You gotta get the secret one.
Oh, I'm being sent off by. I'm in a tree. I'm in a tree. Oh god.
Oh, I'm in a tree too! I'm in the tree! Tree's taking me. Where are we going, Mr. Tree?
I got a hole in one for that as well.
Oh, see, secrets are powerful.
Oh no. What the fuck? Why am I down here?
Is that the...
No, okay, never mind.
Oh! I got hole in one. I got it through the secret hole by the sword.
Where's the secret?
Secret hole.
Oh, okay, I
It's
did
like
it.
on top of the... Oh, you did? Oh.
I did it. Nice. Oh, fucking hell. This course is going on for a while.
Yeah, I think it's 18 holes. Okay. Oh, right. Well, that was... Oh! Nice. Eagle.
Nice.
I did try getting it in the
Oh,
secret
shit.
hole, but I couldn't.
Cha. Yay. Oh, another secret. Look at me.
I think that's just how you do it. I don't know
No.
about the secret.
No.
Oh, she has slammed it.
No. It's not. You're lying.
Yeah, that was just a really easy one for some reason.
Don't know why.
Oh, almost got that.
Oh, bollocks. And it's just that
Oh,
easy.
shit.
Are you having troubles with the secret?
Yeah, I'm trying to do the secret. Let me do the secret.
Oh, you
Oh,
can't
damn.
reach the one ring. What a shame. I keep thinking the course is like over because it comes with that thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, no! Too far.
Oh, yeah. I done goofed on that one.
You done diddly did goof. You did a goof and a gaff. Oh, come on. Why couldn't I have been more centered there? Boom.
Okay, that's
Duty.
not cool.
Oh, cool.
Thank you for playing.
No problem. Oh, oh no, the scroll's reaching us. Oh,
Oh!
what? What the fuck is
Oh.
happening? What?
I
What
don't know.
Oh,
Isengard. Oh, these routes other levels. Oh, we did the Cyberpunk one. Oh, okay.
oh, cool.
Isengard. You go.
Nice.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, give it a
Fun
thumbs
one.
up. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
Fun.
It was fun.